It's time for dinner. Where are we gonna eat tonight? Woo, that's fancy. Where's the family? Where's there they are.
Hello.
Look, fishies.
Fishies.
We found ourselves in a tank. There's dolphins over there. There's fish over there. There's a Jacob over there. Hi, Jacob. There's a Sandy going by. There's the dolphin. There's more dolphins down there. Yep. Sleeping Ray.
Hello. It's a fishy in a shadow. What about this fish? Like right behind you. Came up and say hi.
All these fishes get along.
Nope, they hate each other.
They don't feed each other, do they?
Yeah.
Look at that guy. Quit asking that.
See the Ray?
She says the
Your mom's just going to the
Yep.
she says the black
right there.
That fish is shadow.
That's pretty much what they're doing right now, that's for sure.
Oh my gosh.
Big school coming our way.
Oh, we're giving over.
That's his shadow, right? That reason
Traveling the other. There's another pair down there.
Hello.
You look fake.
You look fake. She said to him, you look fake.
Excuse me. Can you tell me if you're real?
Come here. Come here.
That's very cool that you got a Ray right below you. It's a very close-up view of the
You're
Ray.
getting even closer.
It's not gonna
Go
get
close up. Get all snuggly with me.
He just wants to get his picture taken. I see flaps.
Oh, he's curling.
Hi.
What a photogenic stingray.
Get more this thing, Ray.
I thought you did one of my dad. Oh, hello, fish. Hi.
Oh, there's a hammerhead right over there.
If you look at the GoPro and to the left, one of our sea turtles is taking a nap in the rocks right now.
That was not sweet.
This is much like a Tolstoy or a modern sea turtle. So he actually is to be over 100 years old. You do have two other sea turtles, and if you look down towards the rocks, you might find their
I'm starfish.
They might come up to the surface for some air at any point. If you do have any questions about the sea turtle,
I want to see the better fish.
Oh, Mickey.
The nose. Look at that guy.
Down there.
They have lots of stingrays. Why aren't they eating the fish?
There's the hammerhead.
Oh wow, a strange fish face. Why don't they eat the fish?
Huh?
Why don't they
Because they're rough edge.
like
If they become hungry, they will eat the fish.
have they eaten the fish before?
Yes, they have eaten fish before.
Or have they eaten these fish?
Yes, they have eaten these fish
These
before.
poor fish. Has there been a crowd watching they've eaten the fish?
What's probably?
They're like, no, the fishes.
No, it's too bad we're not going to be eating somewhere near like a tank like this.
Like a few devils inside.
Yeah.
Oh, you drove that since
That's right. Well, we're in it now. We're really in the manatee's tank now. See how the damage to his back end? He got good with a propeller, I think. Yep. And they like to eat cabbage.
Are they coming to see us?
I don't know. Let's find out.
I hope you
to get better soon. Yeah, boy, he's chopped up.
Look at him. He's actually doing a dance for you, Mom.
Thank you for that. That was lovely. You're beautiful. Oh, yes. Roll over. Look at that dancing.
Very cool.
Oh, see that rear is all set up.
Yeah.
Propeller. And something, it's like they're on top of that thing.